Cases in Florida increased by more than 700 since yesterday morning. Now more than 27,000 people have tested positive for COVID-19. It's an urgent reminder to keep social distancing to both protect the community and the first responders who serve it.
Some are abandoning the advice of our health experts, forcing law enforcement into far too many face-to-face encounters. My heart goes out to our law enforcement officers and medical professionals risking their health and safety to fight for you.
A Broward County deputy died from COVID-19. 3 Hillsborough deputies also had to be quarantined after performing CPR on a person who had the virus.
Well, the coronavirus crisis hits a Pinellas County nursing home. Late last week, Ada's on your side, and we were there as staffers at Freedom Square Rehab started moving about 100 patients out of the facility. Well, this Tuesday morning, Ada on your side, we learned that the outbreak has spread to at least one other building at the center. 41 residents and about 21 staffers have tested positive, with dozens more cases suspected. The executive director said in a statement that testing is only available for staffers and symptomatic patients. And that, of course, is leaving families extremely concerned and worried about their loved ones in limbo.
It's their obligation and their moral duty to test the other patients. My mother's in jeopardy. I mean, she may not mean anything to them, but she's my mom. She means everything to us.
Now, when you listen to Miss Barbara there, you can hear the pain in her voice there as she's explaining her story. Ada's on your side, and we tried reaching out several times to the director at the Freedom Square to ask about what it would take to get more testing there, but still, as of this moment, we have not heard back.
Residents from another Pinellas County nursing home were removed after testing positive for COVID-19. Ada on your side, learning 7 patients are sick with the virus at St. Mark Village in Palm Harbor. It's the latest Bay Area nursing home to report an outbreak.
And new information this Tuesday from the White House as President Trump announced via Twitter that he will soon sign an executive order to temporarily suspend immigration into the United States during this COVID-19 pandemic. Now, there aren't many details as of this moment and no word on when it will happen, but you can count on us here, Ada on your side, to keep you updated.
Well, some small businesses trying to stay afloat are getting some big relief this morning. Hillsborough County received $256 million through the Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and Economic Security Act, also called CARES. The money will be wired to county officials soon and distributed to local small businesses in need.
But there's some bleaker news for Tampa residents needing help for rent and utilities. The One Tampa Relief Fund is out of dedicated money, we've learned. Anyone who will be receiving help will be notified in the next 10 days.
Time now is 6:06, and the pandemic has most of us cooped up inside the house these days, and that may have you browsing to see what else is out there. But with the economy uncertain, is it a good time to buy a home? Ada on your side's Melissa Marino spoke with an expert, and Melissa joins us now live this morning with the advice. Good morning.
Hey, good morning. So the big takeaway here, it really depends on your situation, but we do know some are taking this as an opportunity to buy. So here in the Bay Area, we will not see much of a difference in the price of homes because there is still such a demand for the homes here. However, buyers are seeing lower mortgage rates. Dr. Lawrence Yoon, he's the chief economist for the National Association of Realtors. He says first-time home buyers, they will have to do more shopping around for a lender. That's because down payment assistance programs, they have halted and minimum credit requirements have been raised. However, he says if you have stable employment, now is actually a great time to buy.
First, stay within the budget. Mortgage rates are very attractive. Do a lot of homework virtually.
And you can expect a lot more of the process to be virtual, not just now, but they expect that to actually become more of a new normal, even once we are able to, leave our homes more. Back to you.
And it'll be interesting to see how this affects the market moving forward after we get past the pandemic. Good advice. Thanks, Melissa.